In today's video, I will walk you through how to insert a template title block in AutoCAD. To get started, go to the Layout tabs at the bottom of the AutoCAD interface. Right-click on the Layout tab, then select From Template from the menu. A file selection window will appear. Look for the File Type option and select the DWT file format. Next, navigate to your Sheet Sets folder and select the template that fits your project. Choose the template you want to use, then open it. After selecting the template, a Layout selection window will appear. Choose your preferred layout option, then click OK. The new title block layout from the selected template will now be added to your drawing. A template title block is great for keeping your drawings organized and consistent. It's especially useful when creating professional design documents, architectural plans, civil drawings, and other projects that require a standard layout. And that's how to insert a template title block in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching the video.